Hey guys, just want to talk to you about this a Face Buff Energizing Scrub by Jack Black. I did purchase this myself just to be transparent. I use all their products. I've been using Jack Black for quite a while and actually love their product. So Energizing Scrub with vitamin C and mint. Now, if you've never used this before, definitely it's an experience, especially after a nice close shave. You're done, you get that hot water going on your face, you take a little bit of this off, and it's got an exfoliant in it, and it has a nice mint, and your face will tingle. I guarantee it, and it's absolutely awesome. It helps with blackhead removal. It helps cleanse the skin, cleanses it, gets all that oil off, and really, it's a nice soft exfoliant. It's not rough at all. It's super nice, and the smell is just absolutely amazing. And it just comes out like a cream, and you can feel the little grit in there. And that's the exfoliation, that does the. And the mint is just, I'm telling you, I wish you could smell this. It is absolutely amazing. You just use a little bit, not a lot. Scrub your face, let it sit for about a minute, and just wash it off with hot water, and you'll be surprised how clean your skin feels and the tingling on your face. It's absolutely awesome. Like I said, I've been using this for such a long time, and I absolutely love the Jack Black products. I use them all. So if you're not using it, you definitely should be. Definitely highly recommend. I guarantee you will never go to another product. Fantastic, and this thing is just awesome. That's why they call it a face buff. You kind of buff your face with it with your hands. You don't use anything else. Don't use any kind of scrubber, or don't just use your hands. That's what I do, and it's perfect. You get the vitamin C, and you get that beautiful mint fragrance to it, and it gives you the beautiful little tingle and cleans nicely, and it's not very rough at all. So for guys, this is a go-to. Definitely try it. Thanks for watching my review.